Isukile Mzansi, this is SK here. Hey, it's been hectic. It's been a very hectic and traumatic window period for South African football lovers. With Orlando Pirates announcing Daniel Msendam and Mpho Shabatsane from Imaromoka Lands. Hey, remember the performance to Daniel Msendam that gave at AFCON. We all believed that his life would never be the same again. We believed that he's going to make a big move, and indeed, he made a big move by joining Orlando Pirates. At the same time, Miguel Cardoso welcomed his boys today, Monapola Saleng and Kulumano Ndamane, and the other signings, Mamelodi Sundowns. They made them feel at home. And on the other hand, Eric Tinkler Ngapaya just welcomed our homeboy. Yeah, we call him homeboy because he's from South Africa. Lebohang Perry, who spent his time, most of his time in France, and also we once saw him in Bafana Bafana colors. We are hoping to see him again in Bafana Bafana colors. There we go again. Pusa Dijejana, the man that was trending last week, the man, the most wanted man. We heard that Orlando Pirates, we wanted him up and down, and we also Mamelodi Sundowns were close to conclude a deal with him. And then Kaizer Chiefs also, we heard that Kaizer Junior Motaung called him several times, hoping to lure him back to Kaizer Chiefs. But eventually, Tim Sugazi just, I don't know how, no one saw it coming, but Tim Sugazi just scored a deal with Chicago Fire FC. You will remember that who also from Orlando Pirates, Mbekazeli Mbukazi is also playing for Chicago Fire FC. So yeah, it's a big move for Puso Tijijana, and I'm very happy for him. I'm super happy. I'm very excited for him that the guy just joined one of the biggest teams, or one of the biggest leagues, because MLS League is the biggest league. Of course, Chicago Fire FC is not that big, but it's one of the oldest clubs in MLS, and it's one of the most well-known clubs. You will remember that they are also looking forward to bring Lewandowski from FC Barcelona. I think by June, Lewandowski will join Chicago Fire FC, because last time I checked, there were no complications in his negotiations. So it's a lot. It's been a hectic window for everyone. I think everyone can see that this window is very hectic. It's very, 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 very hectic. Also with Mojela joining Sekhukhune, hey, it's a lot. It's a lot. I think a lot of teams will surprise us with this window. Also, we saw Mdantsane joining one of the lower divisions in South Africa. He tried, but at the end of the day, luck was not on his side. And also from a Kaizer Chiefs player, the young player Pau Pipo, and also has found a new home. So it's been a very hectic window, but it's been a good window for players. It's good to see players finding new homes, getting contract. The likes of Sekota, like Sivilu Kutukawelo Sekota is on verge to join Isiwelele FC. Kutwa he was training with Isiwelele FC. So it's been hectic. Also, the rumor that was circulating that Pitso Mosimane might join the Mamelodi Sundowns. Of course, we all know, we're all aware that Pitso is still battling with Mamelodi Sundowns. They have their case a court, but we're surprised to see the rumor circulating that he might join Mamelodi Sundowns. But of course, it is not impossible, because at the end of the day, he's a businessman. He wants to make business with Sundowns, and Sundowns also are business people. They also want to make business with Pitso Mosimane. So it's a very hectic window. So we're all looking forward. We want to hear what will happen in his case, because we saw that Miguel Cardoso is still with Mamelodi Sundowns, and we saw the reports that Coach Vulani Mokoena also wants President Yama 2K or Rebohile Mafokeng. Of course, Orlando Pirates turned them down. So it's been hectic, but we're looking forward to see more drama. Hopeful that Kaizer Chiefs will also come up with a lot of surprises. I just hope that they will sign someone that might surprise us, because I believe that Kaizer Chiefs still need to sign maybe 2 or 3 experienced players so that they may just compete for a league. Of course, Mamelodi Sundowns has already shown us, like they have already shown us a green light. With Orlando Pirates also now, is the way the signings that they are making, they are showing us that they are determined to win the league. At the same time, there is a rumor that their striker Tsakafasa Mabaso might join which like is still in FC. It's a lot, but please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, All Football News with SK. Follow us to all our digital platforms: Facebook, All Football News with SK. Follow us on our TikTok, All Football News with SK. May the good Lord bless you. And don't forget to share your thoughts with us about this window. But what are you thinking? With Khuliso Mudau, we spoke about Khuliso Mudau, that Karabo Pasha reported that he's also on verge to join Orlando Pirates. Tell us, what are you thinking? Thank you so much for listening and for tuning in. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and also our TikTok. We love you so much. Thank you.